Hey, what's up YouTube? So, I went home this weekend and I saw my mom's porch furniture was missing an arm. So, I decided to bring it home and weld it up for her. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to watch me weld some porch furniture. Hope you guys are excited. Alright, see you in a minute. Hey, what's up YouTube? So today I'm going to be putting this arm back on this porch furniture. It looks like somebody's already got to it at some point, or I don't know, maybe it came from the factory that way. I don't know. But we're going to try to stick it back on here. Alright YouTube, stick with me. What? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I have to grind this up and make it semi-clean for my welder. So I'm going to use my gloves, I got my eye protection, and I've got a dirty respirator mask. So yeah, it's important it has to be dirty because it works better. What? That should be clean enough. At least that's my thoughts. So yeah, we'll see what happens here. Kind of took the paint off so I could get some metal contact. Did the same thing up here and right here. So yeah, we'll give this a try and see what happens. What? So before I get started, I want to show you guys my welder. It's Chicago Electric Welding. I think it's the cheapest one they had at Harbor Freight. And I'll be honest, so far I like it. So yeah. It's cheap. I don't do a lot of welding, but I mean it's done plenty for me so far. So yeah. And for my safety equipment, I got me I think it's a Hobart. Yeah, it's a Hobart welding mask. And I got some Hobart gloves. I think I got them at the same place. I think the mask was like maybe 10-15 bucks at Tractor Supply. So yeah, wasn't bad. But yeah, stick with me and we'll see if we can't get this welded up real quick. What? Okay, YouTube, so I got bare metal to bare metal, so that should work out pretty good. And then back here, I got a little clamp on there, and hopefully that holds. So yeah, I might actually do a little more grinding like right there so I can have some more bare metal to bare metal. So, what? Well, I'm sweating like crazy, and let's hope I don't ruin my camera here. So, alright folks. Woo! What? Alright YouTube, let's take a little break from welding that porch furniture, and I'm going to tell you what I've been working on lately. I started a store, and it's called Tin Can Bazaar. And if you go to tincanbazaar.com, you can see all of our products. We got some t-shirts, we got some fishing lures, we got some fishing accessories. I mean, you guys should check it out. And I mean, I'm planning to put more products as the weeks go on, so you guys just keep an eye on that. Alright, back to the welding.
What?
Alright, YouTube. It sure ain't pretty, but it sure does hold, so that's a thing.
What? What?
Alright, YouTube, so there's one of my terrible welds, but you know what? I think it holds, and I mean, I'm okay with it, so to me, it doesn't have to be pretty, it just has to do the job, so yeah. And considering that's like the third time I've ever welded, I'm happy with it, so yeah. Check this one out. Went off track there a little bit, but yeah. I'm not going to show you the back welds because they are truly terrible. But watch this. I can pick it up with the thing. So yeah, that's fantastic to me. Also, I apologize for the mess. Don't look at it. Bah.
What?
Alright, YouTube. So, what'd you think about my little welding project? Now, I'm sure it's not proper and all that. You can leave it in the comments. Whatever. But, I don't know. It's a cheap welder. I'm new to welding. I thought I'd done alright. I mean, the arm stays on, and I tried to break it off, and I couldn't. So, yeah. I was okay with that. Alright, YouTube. I'll see you next time. Bye. Hey, what's up? Burton here. And if you like this video, check out one of these other videos. Or subscribe, like, comment. Tell me what you liked about it. Ring that bell. Or hit me up on Twitter, @Bretonian. Alright, folks. You guys have fun. Bye.